Did you know your traditional savings account is actually losing value? With inflation rising, that 0.01% interest is a trap. It is time to move your capital into high-yield assets today. Stop letting banks profit from your laziness. By switching to a high-yield savings account, you can earn 10 times more interest instantly. It is the simplest financial win you will achieve this year. Most people think investing is risky, but staying in cash is the real danger. Your purchasing power is melting away. Let's look at how a diversified portfolio protects your future wealth effectively. The 400 and 1000 is a powerful tool, but are you maximizing the employer match? That is literally free money on the table. If you aren't contributing enough to get the full match, you're losing. Credit card debt is a wealth killer. With interest rates over 20%, you are working for the bank, not yourself. Let's prioritize a debt snowball strategy to reclaim your financial freedom now. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. Even small monthly contributions grow into massive sums over time. Start today, because time is your most valuable asset in the journey to wealth. Emergency funds are not optional. You need 3 to 6 months of expenses tucked away in a liquid account. This is your financial insurance policy against life's unpredictable curveballs and sudden job losses. Are you tracking your net worth? It is the only metric that truly matters. Stop focusing on your salary and start focusing on the gap between what you own and what you owe. Index funds are the secret weapon of the wealthy. Instead of picking individual stocks, own the entire market. It is lower risk, lower stress, and historically provides consistent long-term growth for everyone. Take a breath and enjoy the moment. Financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Recharge your mind so you can make sharper, more disciplined decisions when you return to the markets tomorrow. Budgeting isn't about restriction. It is about intention. Tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. A simple 50-30-20 rule can revolutionize how you manage your monthly cash flow. Hidden fees are draining your portfolio. Check your expense ratios on mutual funds. If you are paying over 1%, you are giving away a massive chunk of your retirement to a middleman. Roth IRAs are a gift from the government. You pay taxes now so you never pay them again. Imagine withdrawing $1 million in retirement and the IRS gets absolutely zero. That is power. Lifestyle creep is the enemy of the middle class. As your income increases, keep your expenses stable. The difference between your old lifestyle and your new salary is the path to early retirement. Real estate isn't just for the rich. You can start with REITs or house hacking. Building equity in physical assets provides a hedge against inflation and a steady stream of passive rental income. Your biggest asset is your ability to earn. Invest in your skills and education. A single certification or new skill can increase your lifetime earnings by hundreds of thousands of dollars. Start learning. Stop checking your portfolio every hour. Volatility is normal, but emotional selling is fatal. Stick to your long-term plan and let the market cycles work in your favor without the constant daily stress. Diversification is the only free lunch in finance. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different sectors and asset classes to reduce risk and ensure steady, reliable growth. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Wealth is built in years, not days. Cultivate a long-term mindset and ignore the noise of the headlines. Nature provides the best perspective on growth. Just like a tree, your investments need time to take root. Enjoy this quiet moment and trust the process of long-term compounding and steady progress. Financial independence isn't about being rich, it is about having options. It is the ability to say no to a job you hate. Every dollar you save is a brick in your wall of freedom. Automation is the key to consistent wealth building. Set up automatic transfers to your brokerage account on payday. If you never see the money in your checking account, you won't miss it. Avoid the get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it definitely is. Sustainable wealth is built through discipline, patience, and proven strategies, not chasing the latest viral trend. Insurance is boring but necessary. Protect your family with term life insurance and disability coverage. A single accident shouldn't wipe out years of hard work and dedicated savings. Get covered today. Tax loss harvesting can save you thousands. Use your investment losses to offset your gains and lower your taxable income. It is a sophisticated move that keeps more money in your pocket every year. Term life insurance is much better than whole life for most people. Don't mix your insurance with your investments. Buy term and invest the difference to maximize your total wealth and protection. Peer pressure is a budget killer. Stop trying to keep up with the Joneses. They are usually broke and stressed. True wealth is invisible. It is the money you haven't spent on status. Market crashes are actually sales. When everyone else is panicking, the disciplined investor is buying at a discount. Change your perspective on volatility and look for opportunities when the red candles appear. High-interest debt is a financial emergency. Treat it with the same urgency as a house fire. Cut every unnecessary expense until that debt is gone. Your future self will thank you for it. Find peace in the simple things. A walk in the park or time with family is free. Remember that the goal of money is to buy back your time for moments exactly like this. Don't ignore your credit score. A high score saves you thousands on mortgages and car loans. Pay your bills on time and keep your utilization low to unlock the best financial rates available. The best time to start was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Don't wait for the perfect moment to invest. The market rewards time in the market, not timing. Financial literacy is the ultimate superpower. Read one finance book a month. The knowledge you gain will pay dividends for the rest of your life. Take control of your financial destiny through education. Be wary of financial advisors who earn commissions. Look for fee-only fiduciary advisors who are legally obligated to act in your best interest. Your advisor should be on your team, not the bank's. Subscription fatigue is real. Those $10 monthly charges add up to thousands over time. Audit your bank statement and cancel everything you don't use. Reclaim that cash for your investment accounts instead. Rebalance your portfolio once a year. Over time, some assets grow faster than others, shifting your risk profile. Sell the winners and buy the laggards to stay on track with your original goals. Health is wealth. A medical crisis is the fastest way to bankruptcy. Invest in your physical well-being now to avoid massive healthcare costs later. Good habits are the best long-term investment you have. Don't be afraid of the B word. A budget is just a plan for your money. Use apps or a simple spreadsheet to track your spending. Visibility is the first step toward total control. Gold and silver can be a small part of a portfolio, but they don't produce cash flow. Focus on productive assets like stocks and real estate that grow and pay you while you sleep. Fire up the grill and relax. Success is about balance. Taking time to enjoy a meal with loved ones is what makes all the hard work and financial discipline worth the effort. Automate your bills to avoid late fees. It's an easy way to protect your credit score and save money. Technology should work for you, making your financial life seamless and stress-free every month. The latte factor is real, but don't sweat the small stuff too much. Focus on the big wins, your housing, your car, and your investment rate. Those move the needle more than coffee. Side hustles are great, but scaling your primary career is often more effective. Master your craft and negotiate your salary. A 20% raise is easier than working a second job all night. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not purchased and the first-class tickets not booked. Delayed gratification is the fundamental secret to becoming a self-made millionaire in the modern world. The IRS has rules you can use to your advantage. Learn about tax credits and deductions. Being tax efficient can be just as profitable as a high-performing stock. Keep more of what you earn. Don't borrow money for depreciating assets. If it has an engine or a screen, pay cash. Only use debt for things that increase in value, like a home or a high-quality education. Passive income is the goal. Whether it's dividends, rental income, or business royalties, you want money coming in regardless of your daily efforts. Build your cash flow machines one piece at a time. Market timing is a loser's game. Even the pros get it wrong. Use dollar-cost averaging to buy consistently in all market conditions. It lowers your average cost and removes the stress of guessing. Your social circle influences your finances. Surround yourself with people who have good money habits and ambitious goals. Success is contagious, but so is a consumerist mindset that leads to debt. There is nothing like a day on the water to clear the mind. Financial freedom gives you the luxury of silence and the space to think. Use this time to reflect on your journey. Teach your children about money early. Give them a head start by explaining saving, investing, and the danger of debt. Financial literacy is the best inheritance you can ever provide for their future. Charitable giving is part of a healthy financial life. Helping others provides perspective and purpose. Plan your giving just like you plan your savings. It is good for the soul and the community. Check your insurance policies annually. You might be overpaying or underinsured as your life changes. A quick shop around for home and auto insurance can save you hundreds of dollars with very little effort. Max out your HSA if you have one. It is the only triple tax-advantaged account. Tax-free contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses. It is an incredible secret retirement tool. The housing market has cycles. Don't rush into a purchase because of FOMO. Buying a house is a major financial commitment. Ensure the numbers make sense for your budget, not just the bank's. Credit card rewards are great, but only if you pay the balance in full every month. If you carry a balance, the interest wipes out the rewards instantly. Don't play the game unless. Estate planning isn't just for the elderly. Everyone needs a will and a power of attorney. Protect your assets and ensure your wishes are followed. It is a final act of love. Financial mistakes are lessons, not life sentences. If you made a bad investment or took on debt, forgive yourself and move forward. The important part is the decision you make today. Keep your investment strategy simple. You don't need complex hedge funds or exotic derivatives. A few low-cost index funds and a high savings rate will beat almost every complicated strategy over time. A quiet walk in the forest reminds us that growth is often silent. Your wealth is building in the background. Be patient, stay disciplined, and enjoy the peace that comes with financial security. Success in finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. You know what to do. The challenge is actually doing it. Stay disciplined when the world around you is overspending. Watch out for the hidden costs of car ownership. It's not just the monthly payment, but insurance, maintenance, and the silent killer, depreciation. Buy used and drive it until the wheels fall off. The best investment you can make is in your own health. A gym membership or healthy food is far cheaper than a hospital stay. Your physical energy is the fuel for your financial engine. Financial independence isn't a destination, it's a series of milestones. Celebrate paying off that first credit card or reaching your first $10,000. Those small wins build the momentum you need. Stop comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 20. Most of the people you see with flashy cars are actually drowning in debt. Focus on your own race and your own numbers. A high income doesn't equal wealth. If you earn $200,000 and spend $200,000, you are still broke. Wealth is the difference between what you make and what you keep. Market timing is a fool's errand. Time in the market always beats timing the market. Keep your contributions steady through the highs and the lows to capitalize on the power of dollar-cost averaging. The most expensive thing you can own is a closed mind. Stay curious about new investment strategies and tax-saving hacks. The world of finance is always changing, and those who adapt are the winners. Be careful with leverage. Debt can amplify your gains, but it can also accelerate your losses to zero. Use it sparingly and only for assets that have a proven track record of appreciation. Hiking through the mountains puts your problems in perspective. The market's daily ups and downs are tiny compared to the vastness of nature. Take a deep breath and reconnect with what truly matters. Your home is a place to live, not necessarily your best investment. Factor in taxes, interest, and repairs. Sometimes renting and investing the surplus in the stock market leads to greater long-term wealth. Emergency funds provide more than just money, they provide psychological safety. Knowing you can survive 6 months without a paycheck allows you to take calculated risks in your career and your investments. Index funds are the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it strategy. You don't need to find the next Apple or Amazon when you simply own them all. Keep it simple and keep it consistent. The tax code is written in pencil, not ink. Laws change every year. Stay informed about new retirement account limits and tax breaks so you aren't leaving money on the table unnecessarily. Don't let analysis paralysis stop you from starting. You don't need a perfect plan to begin. Open the account, set up the transfer, and refine your strategy as you gain more experience. Subscription services are the leeches of the modern budget. Small monthly fees for apps you don't use can drain hundreds of dollars a year. Audit your statements and cut the waste today. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky. Whether it's dividends, a side business, or rental income, having multiple sources of cash creates a powerful safety net for your family. Wealth is the ability to fully experience life. It's not about the number in the bank, but the freedom that number provides. Use your money to create memories, not just collect expensive objects. Compound interest works both ways. In an investment, it builds wealth. In debt, it destroys it. Be the one who collects the interest, never the one who is trapped paying it. Rest is a weapon. You cannot make sound financial decisions when you are burnt out. Take this moment to recharge so you can return to your strategy with clarity and renewed energy. Avoid the temptation of lifestyle upgrades every time you get a bonus. Put that extra money straight into your investments. Your future self will value the freedom more than the new gadget. Financial peace of mind is worth more than any luxury item. Sleep better knowing your bills are paid, your debt is low, and your future is secured through disciplined, long-term planning. The stock market is the only place where people run out of the store when items go on sale. When prices drop, don't panic. That is the best time to increase your contributions. Keep your financial life organized. Use a single dashboard to track all your accounts. When you can see the big picture clearly, it's much easier to spot leaks and identify new opportunities. Don't overlook the power of small savings. Saving an extra $50 a week and investing it can result in hundreds of thousands of dollars over a 30-year career. Every dollar counts. A credit card is a tool, but it can also be a weapon. Use it for the rewards and the protection, but never spend money you don't already have in your bank account. The most important asset you have is your time. Money can be regained, but time cannot. Use your wealth to buy back your time so you can spend it on what you love. Be skeptical of hot tips from friends or social media. Real investing is boring and takes time. If a strategy sounds exciting and fast, it's probably a gamble, not an investment. Your net worth is not your self-worth. You are more than your balance sheet. Use money as a tool to support your life, but don't let it define your identity or your happiness. Watching the sunset reminds us that every day is a new opportunity. Whatever financial mistakes you made yesterday are gone. Focus on the disciplined steps you can take starting tomorrow morning. The best hedge against inflation is owning productive assets. Businesses and real estate can raise their prices as costs go up, protecting your purchasing power far better than a standard savings account. Automate your financial wins. Set up your retirement contributions to happen before you even see your paycheck. When saving is automatic, you don't have to rely on willpower to build your wealth. Focus on what you can control. You can't control the Federal Reserve or the stock market, but you can control your savings rate, your asset allocation, and your emotional reactions to the news. A fiduciary financial advisor is a must if you seek professional help. Ensure they are paid by you, not by the products they sell. Transparency is the foundation of a healthy financial partnership. The 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Adjust these ratios as your income grows to accelerate your path to freedom. Don't let taxes dictate your entire investment strategy, but do be tax-aware. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks and IRAs is one of the easiest ways to boost your long-term returns. Risk is part of the game, but it should be calculated. Understand the difference between volatility and permanent loss of capital. A diversified portfolio helps you withstand the storms without losing your shirt. Financial education is a lifelong journey. The more you know, the less you fear. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep questioning the traditional wisdom that keeps people trapped in the rat race. Wealth is built in the boring middle years. Stay the course when the initial excitement wears off. Consistency is the secret ingredient that turns modest savings into a substantial financial legacy. Sitting by the campfire, we remember the basics: food, shelter, and companionship. Everything else is secondary. Build your wealth so you can enjoy these fundamental joys without the burden of financial stress. Financial literacy is the key to breaking the cycle of poverty. Understand how money works so you can make it work for you. It's the greatest gift you can give yourself and your family. Inflation is the silent thief of your hard-earned money. Don't let your cash sit idle. Invest in assets that outpace inflation to ensure your future purchasing power remains strong and secure. The power of no is a financial superpower. Say no to unnecessary purchases, high-interest debt, and lifestyle creep. Every no to a want is a yes to your future financial freedom. Your credit score is a reflection of your financial reliability. Treat it with respect. A high score opens doors to lower interest rates and better financial opportunities. Manage your debt wisely. Don't wait until you're rich to start investing. Start where you are with what you have. Even small, regular investments can grow into a significant nest egg over time thanks to compounding. Passive income is the holy grail of finance. Aim to build enough passive income to cover your basic living expenses. That is the true definition of financial independence and ultimate freedom. The market rewards patience, not activity. Constant trading leads to higher fees and taxes, often eroding your returns. Stick to your long-term plan and let your investments grow undisturbed. Financial security is a choice you make every day. It's the choice to save instead of spend, to invest instead of gamble, and to plan for the future instead of living only for today. Knowledge is power, especially in finance. Stay informed about market trends, tax laws, and economic shifts. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the complexities of the financial world. A walk along the shore clears the mind and refreshes the spirit. Take a break from the numbers and enjoy the natural beauty around you. Balance is essential for a happy, successful life. Compound interest is your best friend or your worst enemy. Choose to be the one receiving it. Start investing early and often to maximize the incredible power of time on your wealth. Don't let fear drive your financial decisions. Fear of missing out or fear of a market crash can lead to costly mistakes. Stay grounded in your long-term strategy and ignore the emotional noise. Financial freedom is not about having $1 million, it's about having the time to do what you love. Focus on building the life you want, using money as the tool to get there. Debt is a burden that weighs you down. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt to free up your cash flow and reduce your financial stress. Your future self will thank you for the freedom. Diversification is the key to managing risk. Don't put all your money into one stock or one sector. Spread your investments to protect yourself from the volatility of any single market. Budgeting is a roadmap for your financial journey. It helps you stay on track and reach your goals. Review your budget regularly and make adjustments as your life and priorities change. The best investment is one you understand. Don't put your money into something just because everyone else is doing it. Do your research and make informed decisions that align with your goals. Financial success requires discipline and persistence. It won't happen overnight. Stay committed to your plan, even when it's difficult, and you will eventually reach your financial destination. Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself and stay focused on the long-term goal. Avoid the temptation of short-term gains that can lead to long-term losses. Patience is a virtue in finance. Enjoy the simple pleasure of a quiet morning. Taking time for yourself is a vital part of a balanced life. Let this moment of peace inspire you to continue your financial journey with clarity. Your savings rate is more important than your investment returns. Focus on widening the gap between your income and expenses. A high savings rate is the fastest way to accelerate your journey to wealth. Beware of the siren song of luxury car leases. They are designed to keep you in a cycle of payments forever. Buy a reliable vehicle, maintain it well, and invest the avoided monthly payment. Invest in your relationships as much as your portfolio. A strong support system is vital during economic downturns. People who care about you are the ultimate safety net that money simply cannot buy. Keep your financial plan flexible. Life changes, and your strategy should adapt to new goals or challenges. Rigidity is the enemy of progress. Be willing to pivot your tactics while keeping the destination. Comparison is the thief of joy and the architect of debt. Don't build your life based on a neighbor's highlight reel. Authenticity and a healthy bank account feel much better than fake social status. The best time to learn about tax loss harvesting is before you need it. Understand how to use market volatility to lower your tax bill. It turns a red day into a future tax win. Maximize your contributions to tax-advantaged accounts first. The 400 and 1000 IRA and HSA are your best friends. Every dollar saved in taxes is an extra dollar compounding for your future self to enjoy later. Financial clarity comes from tracking. If you don't measure it, you can't improve it. Spend 10 minutes a week reviewing your transactions to ensure your spending aligns with your values and long-term goals. Avoid the trap of waiting for the dip. The market can go higher than you expect for longer than you think. Consistent investing is superior to perfect timing. Just stay the course and keep buying. Take a moment to enjoy the breeze. Financial discipline is hard work, and you deserve these minutes of stillness. Reconnecting with nature helps you stay grounded and patient throughout your long-term wealth journey. Revolving credit is a fire that can consume your future. If you have credit card debt, stop all other investments and extinguish it now. Your guaranteed return is the high interest rate you stop paying. Inflation is a hidden tax on the stagnant. To keep your wealth, your money must work. Productive assets like stocks or real estate are the only way to stay ahead of the rising cost of living. A will is not just about assets, it is about clarity for those you leave behind. Don't leave your family with a legal mess. Estate planning is an essential pillar of a complete financial strategy. Stop overcomplicating your investments. The more moving parts a strategy has, the more likely it is to break. A simple three-fund portfolio often outperforms the most complex hedge funds over the long run. The most valuable skill in the world is the ability to wait. Patience is the price of admission for stock market success. Let the market do the heavy lifting while you live your life. Your income is your most powerful wealth-building tool. Protect it with disability insurance and enhance it through continuous learning. Increasing your value to the marketplace is the best hedge against any economic recession. Don't let a bad day in the market ruin your mood. You are an owner of the world's greatest companies. Short-term price fluctuations don't change the long-term value of what you own. Stay steady. Wealth is the ability to say, "I have enough." Recognizing when you have reached your goals allows you to stop taking unnecessary risks and start enjoying the freedom you have worked so hard to build. The sunk cost fallacy can drain your bank account. If an investment or a business isn't working, don't throw good money after bad. Learn the lesson, cut your losses, and move your capital elsewhere. A quiet walk in the park is a reminder that the best things in life are free. Financial freedom isn't just about spending, it's about having the time to appreciate the simple, natural world. Be the CFO of your own life. Treat your household finances with the same professionalism as a major corporation. Quarterly reviews and annual audits will keep your path to wealth clear and highly efficient. Beware of lifestyle inflation when you reach a new milestone. It's tempting to buy a bigger house or a newer car. Instead, use that extra income to reach your independence date even sooner. Financial education pays the best interest. Spend time researching how to optimize your taxes and reduce your investment fees. Small adjustments in these areas can result in hundreds of thousands of dollars over time. The goal isn't to be the richest person in the graveyard. The goal is to live a life of meaning and security. Use your money to create experiences and help others while you are here. Don't be afraid to ask for a raise or negotiate a better deal. Your silence is expensive. Advocating for your own worth is a critical part of a successful and proactive financial plan. Credit cards are for convenience, not for borrowing. If you can't pay it off today, don't buy it. High-interest debt is a chain that prevents you from ever truly reaching your full financial potential. Market cycles are inevitable. Expect the downturns and plan for them. When you are mentally and financially prepared for a recession, you can remain calm while everyone else is panicking and making mistakes. Your enough number is personal. Don't let social media or marketing experts tell you how much you need. Define your own version of success and build your financial plan to achieve exactly that. Focus on consistency over intensity. It is better to save $500 a month for 30 years than to save $5,000 a month for 3. Time does the heavy lifting for you. The sound of the ocean reminds us of the rhythm of life. Your finances will have their own tides. Stay patient during the lows and humble during the highs. Consistency is your greatest strength. Every dollar spent is a vote for the life you want to lead. Spend intentionally on the things that bring true value and ruthlessly cut the things that don't. Your budget should reflect your values. Wealth is not found in the things you buy, but in the peace of mind that comes from being debt-free and financially secure. Focus on building a solid foundation rather than a flashy exterior. Don't let the fear of missing out lead you into risky investments. If you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Stick to proven strategies that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Your mindset is your most important financial asset. Cultivate an abundance mindset and look for opportunities instead of limitations. Believe in your ability to build wealth and take the necessary steps to succeed. Financial independence is a journey of 1,000 small steps. Each dollar saved and each wise investment brings you one step closer to your goal. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and never give up. The market is a long-term weighing machine. Over time, quality assets will always prove their value. Don't be distracted by short-term noise and stay committed to your long-term investment plan for maximum success. True wealth is the ability to spend your time however you choose. Use your money to buy back your freedom so you can pursue your passions and spend time with the people you love. Financial security provides a platform for creativity and contribution. When your basic needs are met, you can focus on making a positive impact on the world. Build your wealth to serve a greater purpose. Success in finance requires both head and heart. Use your logic to make sound decisions and your heart to stay motivated. Balance your financial goals with your personal values for a truly fulfilling life. A walk through the woods is a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature. Take a break from the digital world and reconnect with the earth. Balance is key to a healthy life. The best things in life are not things. They are the moments of connection, the experiences we share, and the peace we find within ourselves. Use your wealth to support these precious, intangible treasures. Financial freedom is a marathon of discipline. It requires saying no to the immediate and yes to the future. Stay focused on your long-term goals and enjoy the rewards of your hard-earned success. Your financial journey is unique. Don't compare your progress to others. Focus on your own goals and your own timeline. Every step forward is a victory on your path to financial independence. Knowledge is the foundation of financial success. Never stop learning about money, investing, and the economy. The more you know, the more confident and successful you will become in your financial journey. The market is a reflection of human psychology. Understand the emotions that drive market cycles and use that knowledge to stay calm and rational during periods of volatility and uncertainty. Stay the course. Financial security is a gift you give to your future self. It's the result of years of disciplined saving and wise investing. Start today and build the future you deserve and dream of. Don't let setbacks discourage you. Every financial mistake is an opportunity to learn and grow. Pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and continue your journey with renewed determination and focus on your goals. Wealth is a tool for living a better life. It should serve you, not the other way around. Use your money to support your health, your happiness, and your personal growth and development. The power of compounding is the most important concept in finance. Start early and stay invested to let your money grow exponentially over time. It's the secret to building substantial, long-term wealth. A quiet moment of reflection is essential for financial success. Take time to review your goals, your progress, and your values. This clarity will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey. Financial freedom is the ability to live life on your own terms. It's the result of planning, discipline, and a commitment to your long-term goals. Build your wealth to create the life you love. Your financial habits determine your financial destiny. Cultivate good habits like saving, investing, and living below your means. These small, daily actions will lead to significant long-term success and ultimate financial freedom. The best investment you can make is in yourself. Learn new skills, improve your health, and nurture your relationships. These personal investments will pay the highest dividends in all areas of your life. Financial security is not a matter of luck, it's a matter of planning and discipline. Take control of your financial future by setting clear goals and taking consistent action to achieve them every day. Don't let the complexity of the financial world overwhelm you. Focus on the basics, save more, invest wisely, and stay the course. Simplicity is often the most effective strategy for building long-term wealth. The market rewards those who stay patient and disciplined. Avoid the temptation to chase short-term gains and focus on your long-term goals. Consistency is the key to success in the world of finance. Wealth is built over decades, not days. Stay focused on the long-term goal and don't be distracted by short-term market fluctuations. Patience and persistence are your greatest allies on the journey to wealth. Financial freedom is a choice. You can choose to live for today or plan for tomorrow. Make the choice to build your wealth and create a future of security, freedom, and endless possibility. The most important financial decision you make is to start. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect plan. Start today with what you have and build your financial future one step. As the sun sets on another day, remember that financial success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process, stay disciplined, and find peace in the knowledge that you are building wealth.